This is the second episode of two-part video series where I want to do two epoxy alcohol ink tumblers using exactly the same alcohol ink colors but different base colors, white and black. Will the results be the same or not? Let's find out. If you have watched the first episode of this video series, you already know that we are trying to find out how the different or same two tumblers will be when created by the same alcohol ink colors but with a different base color. The alcohol ink colors we are using today are the same ones as we used in our first video: coral pink, green, fire red, sky blue, melon yellow, and white. However, today instead of white base color, we are using black base color. In this episode, just as in the first one, we will not be explaining in detail every step of this crafting, and we will speed up the section which is not so interesting for already experienced crafters. If you are looking for a beginner step-by-step guide on how to prep a tumbler or how to apply epoxy on a tumbler, I will leave in a description below. We have made quite a few videos which will walk you through every step of each procedure. Now I will go quiet for a moment because the dropping of alcohol ink on the epoxy tumbler does not require too much explanation. But I will be right back once the tumbler is completed, so we can take a look at the final results, and most important, compare today's tumbler with the one from the first episode. What to tell you? The picture speaks for itself. The difference between the two tumblers is remarkable. I was expecting different results, but this is more than I was hoping for. Here is my observation. With white base color, you do not see white base color at all. The whole surface is covered by ink. With black base color, you see dominant black color on the surface, and you may think it is because alcohol ink did not cover the surface of the tumbler properly as on the other tumbler, but I don't think that is the case. I think the ink is covering 100% of the surface, but in order to see the color of the ink, you need to add white color into every single spot of the surface in order to bring the color to life. Otherwise, it will be overpowered by the black color of the surface. If you would like to see more alcohol ink experiments and comparisons, please leave me a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.